Hey everybody, this is Stacy back again on this Monday, May the 12th. Beginning this Thursday, which is May 15th, we are starting our weekly certification workshops where we are helping you, walking you through each of the available workshops that are available for you in these are the nationwide uh, programs that they have here. And then we also have some that are state or territory specific. And what we do is we meet every Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific time, and I walk you through each of the certifications. So you have a private study page, pretty much, with all of your information on it. And we work through all of the certifications that you desire. And so for each one, there are certain requirements. And on your personal page, you'll have a list of all your requirements. I'll walk you through, I'll help you through week by week, anything that you need to create. Like, for instance, if you're a corporation or an LLC, you may not have an official set of minutes, or you may have lost your articles of incorporation. So I help you, guide you through on, how to do that. And, we will discuss the different types of business organizations, because there are some that are better than others. And, I never recommend being a sole proprietor on any level if you're a business owner. Not these days, maybe back in the farm days or something, but not in the cutthroat today. So we discussed that too, and what's the best option for the organization portion of your business. And we go through all of that. And every one of my clients that has this certification stays busy, stays in demand. And so why wouldn't you want it? If you're a minority firm, you've earned it. If you're a woman in construction like me, you have earned it, and we should use it. And so again, reach out to me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com, or you can sign up at our website. And keep in mind, it's $99, but it's for all of the workshops for the continuing program, for as many as you qualify for, and that will assist you in getting. It's a game changer for anybody that has that. You can ask anybody that has these certifications. It's a game changer, and it's such a game changer that some of the people out there that aren't necessarily minorities convince their wives to say that they know a whole lot about the construction business that they do not. And you know what happened to them? They got prosecuted for lying, okay? So it is for minorities who are true minorities and do the work themselves. You wake up every day, you look at your set of plans, you produce the estimate, you get out there and you do the work. The bank account's in your name, and like me, my birth certificate says Negro. So this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting. Have a wonderful rest of the day. And yes, I'm on two things. This thing, because I am the construction queen, and the other thing, that I was born to be a very responsible, accountable African American that loves her people. See you soon.